Van life. What is it? Who does it? When did it start? And just why? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel and to another video. Van life, bus life, box truck life, RV life, vehicle dwelling, whatever you want to call it. It's quite simply living in a vehicle. This way of life has been around for many years and was adopted by nomads as an alternative way of living. This is the way of living for many different people worldwide, seeking a basic yet functional lifestyle while simultaneously traveling the world. Starting from camels and horses to covered wagons and Conestogas, vehicle dwelling followed along the ever-evolving automobile industry in the early 1900s. However, it wasn't until around the 1950s and 60s when van life started to really accelerate due to the hippie movement, mainly utilizing Volkswagen vans and buses. The term van life was first used by a photographer in 2011, which brought many more people into the community thanks to social media and the internet. Since 2020, fear of COVID and rising inflation has countless more people embracing this lifestyle as a healthier, less expensive way of living. In today's world, many different types and styles of vehicles are used to live, which makes van life a broadened term to cover all types of vehicle dwelling. In most cases, nomadic vehicle dwellers would have their vehicle outfitted with the basic amenities such as a bed, a way of cooking, a toilet, a sink, and some storage. Some even have a shower to assist in their everyday life. Some may just have some sort of a bed, while others build them or have them built to be luxurious pieces of art. The possibilities are endless. Some van lifers use this lifestyle in order to maintain a free, self-sustained, mobile life, instead of a more conventional life, living in and paying for stationary housing like a mortgage for a house or rent for an apartment. There are also vehicle dwellers in which living in a vehicle is the only thing keeping them from living on the streets or shelter. Living in a vehicle, however, isn't always as glamorous as social media makes it seem. Vehicle dwelling is similar to living in a permanent structure, yet different in so many ways. One example, while most people take advantage of a seemingly unlimited supply of electricity, most people living in a vehicle have to monitor their usage and sometimes have to find alternative ways to gain access to electric. Another example is maintenance. Houses and apartments have their fair share of things that need fixing or maintained, but the structure will still be there and still may be livable. However, if the vehicle someone is living in isn't properly maintained, ultimately breaking down, or worse, in a car accident, then they become potentially homeless until it is repaired or a new one is purchased, if possible. Van life is personalized to each individual, and it is whatever they make it. Kind of the same as living in a house or wherever. You decorate it to express your individuality. This is my van life. I eat, I sleep, I travel, I live. I work too because I need money to eat and travel. This lifestyle is a way of life for thousands of amazing people who are a part of this community. The ability to go anywhere, anytime, and take your home with you is truly freedom. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, or subscribe. Thanks for all the love and support. See you next time going for a car ride.